Designing with shapes can produce striking graphics with minimal elements. Start with a blank canvas and draw geometric forms using the Shape tool. Combine circles, triangles, and lines while toggling between fill and stroke options. Duplicate shapes and rotate them slightly to create rhythm. Use the Pathfinder functions to form unexpected silhouettes. Introduce a gradient background with subtle texture to anchor your design. Add a single word or short phrase in a bold font, placing it where the composition naturally draws the eye. Adjust kerning to improve flow. Before finishing, shift your palette to explore alternate moods. Simple shape manipulation often reveals surprising creative potential. Save your design knowing that strong visuals don't require complicated layers, only intentional arrangement.